Welcome back, Chrome enthusiasts. Today we have an important topic to discuss: turning off sync in Chrome on your PC. Let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Google Chrome on your PC. You can do this by locating the Chrome icon on your desktop or by searching for it in the Start menu. Step 2. Now, look towards the top right corner of the Chrome window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Click on those dots to access the Chrome menu. Step 3. From the menu, select Settings to open the Chrome Settings page. Step 4. On the Settings page, locate your account name. It should be displayed at the top. Next to your account name, you'll find an option to Turn off Sync. Click on it, and that's it. You've successfully turned off sync in Chrome on your PC. Your browsing data will no longer be synced across devices. Remember, you can always turn sync back on whenever you need it. Simply follow these steps in reverse. Thank you for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Chrome tips and tricks. Happy browsing!